central Java in Indonesia, exploring wild food and all sorts of local treats and delicacies.
Like a bird on a tree.
Okay, so this is Gedok Singkong. So basically, it's coconut, cassava, and palm sugar. So you boil or you steam the cassava until it's really cooked well. Then you add desiccated coconut, palm sugar, and you mash it all together to create this. This is the Singkong. This is the cassava plant here, a very young one, cassava tree. So let's see how it tastes. It's really good. It's a really strong flavour of coconut. It's very waxy, very glutinous from the cassava, and even though it has the palm sugar, it's really not that sweet. It's really delicious. Really nice balance. Really good to eat.
Around you, from a distance you can tell.
There you go, girls. Pineapple. Look, Clara. There's a pineapple. Do you like pineapple?
Yeah.
Let's see, is there more? Let's have a look. Wow, yeah, there's another pineapple there.
You and me, meant to be in the great outdoors.
Mobile restaurant. If the customers won't come to you, bring the restaurant to the customers. Me I am chicken noodle soup. Awesome. on a little scooter connected with a gas bottle to boil the soup. Come and have a look. So this is the finish. This is the mie ayam. It's difficult to pick up with the chopstick, but let's try. Anak, very good. So this is a coffee tree. Unfortunately, there's no coffee berries on the tree, but still the leaves have a very light aroma of fresh coffee. It's really good. Unfortunately, the earlier tree didn't have any coffee berries on it, but here you can see the red coffee berries. So inside the berry you will find the coffee beans. You dry them out, and then later you roast them, and that's how you make your morning coffee. Your cappuccino, everything comes from these nice little berries from this tree. Awesome. So this is the fresh coffee fruit, the berry if you like. So we just peel back the fruit so that we can get inside. And here we are. Obviously a different colour to what we're used to seeing at home, but this is a fresh coffee bean ready to be dried and then to be roasted. Jackfruit. What is it, girls?
Yeah. Maybe
Yeah.
a pumpkin.
It looks, I don't know if it's not a pumpkin, sweetie.
Look, I found a pumpkin. It sounds like a pumpkin.
Yeah, I'm
It's
not
not
sure.
a pumpkin. It's a
What is it, Clara? What do you think it is?
pumpkin. Food.
Yeah, it's food, but what kind of food?
It's a pumpkin. I know it's a pumpkin.
What makes you think it's a pumpkin?
It looks like a pumpkin.
It does. It looks like a mini pumpkin, doesn't it?
I think, yeah, look. This size looks like a pumpkin.
But I'm not entirely sure what it is.
Look.
All right, don't pick it. Don't pick
Yeah,
it.
one.
I'm not sure what it is.
It's a pumpkin.
It's all right, sweet. It's a butterfly. So
It's a
many
pumpkin. It's a pumpkin.
I'm not sure if it is,
Ooh, it's a butterfly.
but it looks yummy. Let's ask Mummy what it is. Now,
I don't know how to say it.
just say hi. We're in Central Java,
Hi, we're in Central Java,
Indonesia.
Indonesia.